uni mo ton korana udu underground ho na om de bowo ho sei ye ku omona mono se mo jansone na asase ne mben
ye de akola mono no e bo underground wo no
Galamsey fu no odi obos na nyan korasemu je obi tuo na mo munye adwuma na ento ada wati
awaki oba penfo penfo le ka so awo enne ko awo akekere no adi moko asra no na estabeto tuo mna omo de penfo na dina mna na watwan mala mo timo ne kan no hije in fact sada no the between because minus no omo de kutatu omo ti be kan so kutatu
hospitals no ma kojin kola fresh ne kuno ne de aye nyankoma de na gold na ba enti wo a wo hwa me say e common na the boys so they should dig, you know. You have something else coming. These are criminals that need to be shot. Tina Maker said, if I were the president, I'll give direct order. Military to go in and shoot them.
This is the Ewene River, and we also went to the Kule River. We couldn't find hope anywhere. There was no saka, no solid. Everywhere we went to, this is massive. When we went to Prague, also there, the Oda River, no hope, and Cobra, even west. Then River of Fame, and this is the Uni River. So this is what.
Obi baby say 18 also na tea kura tea na nkani ya pika say tea light no we dey nkani ya pika paa pika odwe ho a wonti ase tea we you see mama ka be show time na ya bande the sports stadium say Ghana may host no quickly the president made a call to CAF. In 4 days the license was restored. Make us no one who said if the president wants to really solve the Galamsey problem he would have solved it. It was gagium. They can't talk. Hello, I Xposed GH Match FM Bruce. Galamsey has become a topical and national issue. Because it destroyed the very fiber of Ghanaian society. Now, video be a chance, you know, it's not only the destruction of our environment. Omukunkola. Omko hospitals, no ma kojin kola fresh near kuno, near the aye nyankoma de na gold naba. It's who I wish me say a common that the boys so they should dig, you know. You have something else coming. These are criminals that need to be shot. Tina Maker said, if I were the president, I'll give direct order. Military go in and shoot them. Because these people are criminals. Officer Mwa, you video number.
Uni mo ton korana udu underground ho na om de bowo ho sei ye ku omona mono se mo jansone na asase ne mben
ye de akola mono no
senior
e bo underground wo no
Galamsey fu no odi obos na nyan korasemu je obi tuo na mo munye adwuma na ento ada wati
moto akola mono
yes
every hospitals
nurses ni bi adwuma mu di ni no
nurses ni adwuma mu di ni se moto nkola mono se obi akowo
yes
ni wo hu ne ba ya ton na Galamsey fu
yes
na mo de ni wura asase na se makoyere
me butu for 4 years na me butu sa na somna ahante me ta che. Do you know the reason why?
Catch me.
Nya mi kem oko kufuredia to enyinam the bomb ka samboda police from dia kwanto kwa yi -3 if I'm dropping like a form Galamsey person akontomla adi ba otilo yaki baby di himan na won before me di malam me be duru wono na awaki oba penfo penfo le ka so awo enne ko awo akekere no adi moko asra no na estabeto tuo mna omo de penfo na dina mna na watwan malam mo timo ne kan no hije in fact sada no ni butui because minus no omo de kutatu omo ti be kan so kutatu so I've nothing to do no akete se mani ni kan gana no so life no anto
sawunya wudini a obeda ku nipa mebisa wasem unya wudini a obeda ku nipa we nipa no okasa no okatagie na invite interview no owade nim ti onim ni omo ye o se eyamamro omo ye omo koton kola no hospitals nurses nim sa kola we nti udu oni ese oba na wuni asie na ya to ne de ko Galamsey kukuno dem na Galamsey how wicked man can be. So The thing that is happening, and yet only to the environment, no wonder Ghana is broke. Because Sabi, jagu in the name of what? Gold. The environment is being degraded. Things are not happening. At the same time, you kunipa. It's who will catch him and say, boys no should be giving jobs. And into the Galamsey, you are a fool. Obani kuna. Will you say that? Will you say that? At the expense of you having money, you are ready to kill. Wow. That's what is happening. Rituals, some of you come on person the show. I say fresh babies. The military, are you hearing it? The police, are you hearing it? IGP, this is what is happening at the town mines. And then says some of the mining communities watching baby commander net one or more Galamsey in the full glare and he's watching. IGP Metomau. I know you can do it. Okay? This fight, the IGP her hands has been held. He is helpless. Eka damparing kwadi akibe to Galamsey as I'm telling you. But the political class, no, my young won't say, some normal penalty, they are ready to fight for what? The Galamsey people. This is criminal offense. Yes. Nenra, okuja to ablakwa. IPAC meeting. Okwasi sensu bi bae. 16 major rivers in Ghana has been polluted beyond repair. Okwasi sabae. Pesa wo hwe. Na wo hwe ye wo hu jimie ani nyama we jimie nkomra.
River. This is the Ewene River. And we also went to the Pule River. We couldn't find hope anywhere. There was no succor, no solace. Everywhere we went to, this is monthly. When we went to Prague, also terrible. The Oda River, no hope, and Cobra was even west. Then River Ofen, and this is the Hune River. So this is what we are dealing with. It's only the Volta River that gave us a little hope. You know, even that we are hearing that it is just a matter of time, because the solar area, we are told that the white water is beginning to interface and defile the Volta River as well. So you see, the Ghanaian people seeing this don't expect their leaders. All of us, including all of us. This one is not. We don't have to. We all have to take collective responsibility, because as Parliament, we are also approving these policies, these resource allocations. These institutions who come to report to us and justify why a certain allocation was properly utilized. We've been doing all these anti-Galamsey operations for years. This House has approved, running to billions. And every year we appear to be complicit somehow when we approve judicious use of the previous year's resources and then give the institutions more resources to go and stop Galamsey. And yet this is where we are as a country. So we say, we want you to really offer new solutions. How can we stop this? How can we get all our rivers? And they are all gone. All our rivers are gone except the Volta River, which we are told is just a matter of time. So this is the context. This is it.
Obi baby say 18 also na tea kura tea na nkani e pika say. Tea e light no we dey nkani e pika paa. Pika odwe ho a wonti ase e. Tea we. You see, Mami Kabi show. Time na ye bande the sports stadium. Say Ghana may host no. Quickly, the president made a call to CAF. In 4 days, the license was restored. Make us no one who said if the president wants to really solve the Galamsey problem, he would have solved it. It takes two things. First of all, here can be BSA licenses are even being given today as we are talking now. Papa no license division say Obian Shane say only license mo. Or say the president hasn't given command, even the minister hasn't given command. In fact, catch and say my license tem so I'm online because a channel for Galamsey. How stupid can we be? Oh God, man. First of all, ban licensing issuing. That's the first statement that should have come from the president. Anything a demonstration, the Tuesday said they will go no, because the president is not serious. If he is serious, you should have issued directive, say ban all new licenses and let me see and bring all the licenses you have even given. Let me go and check myself. But he's not serious. Number two, how stupid can we be? See, bet me a license for people to mine in our forestry and our river bodies. Jesus, that is the law that we sign into acts. So people can go and mine in our forest and river bodies. It's at the end of start here, a government, the man who said that people should do it. Oko China, a river was being showed to Ghana. The rivers in China is clear. Meanwhile, Monkofa Bagana no Jimmy. That's what is happening. Your river SNT. Where your team Pampa? Brown pa Tom Brown. Giddy. What the brother bump and weddy? And now you can say you won't allow with 3 fingers, 6 eyes. Pathetic. Kidney problems are happening. Respiratory problems in our lungs and liver are being destroyed in the name of Galamsey. The sea as we know it is now being what? Polluted. It's what you are now say and you are near Galamsey and what Jimmy? Because on him cyanide any whatever now it's coming to the sea and nam in the warrior and say are polluted. You are in the Bible kayen. Eti yakasi yan sorry onyansam and yes sabe no be kwakwo to police ki yen na meka. But we should act on the laws of the land. I had a constitution no fall short because the constitution can't and it doesn't have the capacity to enforce the presidency. Either you do it or you step down. That should be the call. It's TUC and I said the whole Ghana should go strike. Now president should give orders to stop issuing license. Law na parliament na ho ye de buy yes say ye mine wo forest both NDC MPP no almost yeah you wa hu omomie no abiem. That law that law should be what? Banned. The third one is Obeka say ye can say me minti John Mahama nkan obedaka one nam no kasa me ba meyi nkofo apie. You about me on Kasaye. The president himself, Otimika Senkofo are fighting against me and my family. Otimika Galamsey Wasem. Obiko can be what Galamsey Wasem or sorry, none buofunipano. Afafranto, one an extension of MPP. One also to make the only person waiting me a asem we a chada. Nana Kwambediako. Or say the root problem is the Chinese people. Seni Okasao. I say before advent of time, Galamsey has always been there. But besides that, is the scale is now too large because China have imported machines and fire ports. Machines no and fire ports. Yen in the machines no. It's a government casa or kwa. How is he fighting? Nana Kwame Bediako say, me ba I will arrest the Chinese people and I'll let them work. And I'll take compensation to what? To sterilize the water again to make it clean. This is a man on a vision. I'm Canadian. Tara. I expose you, HFM members, but also subscribe, mommy. But the two pair when you be a man.